Let's listen to the lung sounds together. Make sure to save it for your next exam and share it with your friends. Let's begin.